It wasn't raining. It's raining now, right, Jared? It wasn't raining. It just started raining like 3 seconds ago.
Yes.
Now what are we gonna do? We're far away. We can't go back. Oh, hummingbird. Oh, it's right there. Oh, cool, a hummingbird. I saw it. Did I catch it on video? I have no idea. Where is it? Where is it? Show yourself. Oh, that's not a hummingbird. Oh, oh, it's not raining anymore. Okay, that was a quick raining experience. Oh, cool, what's that? I can't read that. Oh wait, it is not permitted, but blah 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 blah. Okay. Well then. What, Jared?
Rain was random.
Yeah. There is that big cloud. But, you know. No, it's raining much more now. What just happened? Bye, Gio. Bye. Oh. What in the world? Look at the rain.